Hello, I'm Jeremy Goss. Some of you may remember my goal against Bayern Munich back at Canary Road in 1993. I now own that exact square yard of the pitch. I'm here to show you how Canary Squares works. At the top of the screen is a toolbar which controls what you can see and do. Use this plus sign to zoom in. If you move your mouse over the pitch, you will get a player's eye view from the exact spot on the screen on the left. Every single yard on the pitch has been photographed. Move the pitch by clicking on it and dragging with your mouse. Zoom in again and the grid will appear. The squares with icons are already owned. Zoom in to maximum to see the squares at full size. Owners can upload pictures and messages as well as website and YouTube links. If you click on the pitch and drag your mouse, you can move the pitch around to see different areas. Let's zoom back out now. If you move off the pitch, you will start seeing the view from every single seat in the stadium. Let's have a look at the view from the City stand in the area known as the Snake Pit, or over here from the tunnel. Going back to the toolbar at the top, you can hide the grid using this button or hide the owner's icons using this one. This icon removes and replaces the canopy. And this one enlarges the view. On the right hand side are panels showing famous goals and squares owned by club legends. Even me. If you click onto me, you get to see the site of my most famous goal at Canary Road. Squares near the goal are very popular. If you buy a square and one of our players scores from it, you'll get a signed photograph of that goal sent to you. Owners get a lot more from the system than casual visitors, and it's dead easy to buy a square. To make your selection, just click on a square you like the look of to add to the list. Once you've made your choice, all you do is tick the box of the squares you want to buy in the bottom left hand panel and then press buy. Click here to see what owners get when they buy. As well as their owner's pack, they get a chance to take part in competitions and win some great prizes. Owners also receive a high quality photo taken from their square. Click on See More to see the full size view from the square. And click Return to go back to the pitch. We are running a competition to win a free season ticket. You can send a link of your square to your friends and family, and whoever gets the most visits wins the season ticket. You can see how you're doing by looking on the leaderboard. We've even had a canary made out of solid gold, worth over £3,000. Owners will have an equal chance to find this in an on-screen treasure hunt competition just after Christmas. These are just the basics to get you going with Canary Squares. Owners will be sent full instructions on how to upload images, company logos, web links and messages. You'll also be sent a free poster. Thanks for listening and enjoy Canary Road like never before on this world first website.